Again, the same state of being sentences. This is the fifth class for beginners. The same state of being structures. It can be simple present state of being, simple past state of being, and a simple future state of being, present perfect state of being, past perfect state of being, a future perfect state of being, imperative state of being given, state of being participles, state of being infinitives. By using, to express the presence existing. For example, here and there adverbs. For example, is there my son? Is there my son? Is my son present there? Something. Is there my son? Yes, your son is here. He is present here. He is somewhere. He is here. Here and there can be used. For example, there is an ATM at the corner of the street. There is an ATM at the corner of the street. An ATM is at the corner of the street. Actually, an ATM is there. An ATM is there at the corner of the street. Means ATM is present there. In the sense of present, we use there and here. There is God everywhere. Something. God is there. God is here. God is there. God is everywhere. There, here. Is there any God? Questioning. Is God present everywhere? Something. Is God there? Are you getting my point? There and here are used to express the presence. There are so many students waiting outside. So many students are waiting outside. Some existing, the presence is there. Okay, something busy life is everywhere. Something there is a mechanical life. Something mechanical life is very much. There is mechanical life in cities. So something. It is existing. Mechanical life is something after this, after that. Something. Do you have one sentences? It is existing. Something there, here, the presence in such sense. There is no sensible, actually, there is no real growth in something. There is no real growth means the real growth is not there. It is not existing. The presence of. There is a lot of peace in their home. In their home, there is a lot of peace is there in their home. That is existing, presence. There is a lot of peace in their home. That is really needed in everyone's home. Something. The peace is existing. There is clarity in his explanation. There is logic in his teaching. Logic is present there. There is logic means that is existing, it is present. There is no sense in his speech. There is no vision. There is no vision in his approach. Vision is not there, it is not existing. There and here, something, there is something, it is present. In the sense of present, we can use there. Vision is not there in his approach. Do you have some sentences to express the sense of presence by using there? In the state of being sentences, there has been no peace in particular state. Still there is no peace. There has been no peace in present in particular state for 6 months. Peace has been not there. It means not existing. There is no presence of peace. Peace is something. There has been no peace in particular state for some months.
There was a student in our class who is hyperactive.
There is a student in our class. There is a student in our class. Something with extraordinary abilities. Something with some preparation. A student with some extraordinary abilities is in our class. Is there in our class. Okay, present. Again, by using there, we can express the presence. There is no strength in the fruits and vegetables we eat nowadays because many pesticides are used in producing these fruits and vegetables. There is no the real strength. There is no the original strength in the fruits and vegetables. It is not existing. You can use there very wisely in the state of being sentences. There was a lot of energy and there was some natural energy in fruits and vegetables in 1960s. Unfortunately, we can't have such fruits and vegetables now. It was existing that there was simple past economy. I think in future there will be again organic fruits or organic vegetables. It will be existing, it will be present. Such kind of fruits shall be present in future. Again?
There is a restaurant in outskirts of the town.
There is a good restaurant at the there is a good restaurant at the outskirts of the town. Something. Very good, it is existing, it is there, it is present. We can use there as well as possible. Any more sentence?